Hi, I'm Carrie from Crafts of Wellbeing, and this is Coffee Break Crafts, which are quick crafts designed to get you off your digital devices during your coffee break and get you to do something creative instead. So today's quick coffee break craft is this little notebook that's made just out of one sheet of A4 copier paper and a pair of scissors, and then if you want to put a little cover on it, then you just need a piece of pattern paper and some glue, either a glue stick or some double-sided tape, as I'll be using today. So let's get started. Take your copier paper and you're going to fold it in half, short edge to short edge, and your corners up and give it a good crease. And then we're going to do the same again, fold it in half, short edge to short edge. And then one more time, fold it in half, short edge to short edge. Okay, so now we can open everything back out. And you want to open it to the first fold. So that's your A4, and we're just going to fold it back to the first fold. And make sure that the folded edge is facing you, and then what we're going to do is cut from that folded edge along this crease line to where all the crease lines join in the middle. So there's the folded edge facing me. I'm just going to cut along there, right to where all those creases join in the middle. And then we'll open it out again, so we've got an A4 sheet. And this time we're going to fold long edge to long edge, fold it in half. So just make sure your corners are lined up. And fold it in half. And then hold it with the two ends, folded ends, so your folded edge is here. And you'll see that you've got this diamond shape in the middle. Now if you just push those two ends together so that your diamond shape comes together. And then just take those one there, one like that, and then just fold it all in half. And there you have your simple notebook. You've got 8 pages in total to write on, so great for doing to-do lists. But if you want to add a little bit more colour, then you can do. You can add a little outside cover. So I've just cut mine already to the same size as what it would be open, like that. And you'll see I've already put my double-sided sticky tape on all the way around, but you could use a glue stick and just put your glue all over. So let me take my tape off. And then it's a simple matter of opening your book out, just laying it on top. Pressing everything down and then folding that in half again. And what you can do is if you see any little edges coming over, just take your scissors and just trim those edges. And there you go, that's your little notebook made. So I hope you'll have fun doing that quick craft, and let me know how you get on. Have fun.